Hey guys, I'm here at VKC Pride, Coimbatore, in one of their factories and central marketing office. I've been asked to train their fresh recruits on consumer behavior and brand management. These people have come from various management institutions across India and have been asked to fine tune their thinking on marketing and sales. I'm really enjoying this session here, and I just wanted to show you around this entire place. This is a very big area where they have their factory and their central sales and marketing office. The building which is at the back is their central sales and marketing office. One you're seeing here, small office setup. Overall, they have multiple manufacturing units, and that is one of the key and competitive advantage of VKC Pride. They have manufacturing units across India, and when I interviewed their managers, one thing which I've observed is South India is their primary market. They sell most of their footwear brands in South India, and in terms of market segment, VKC Pride sells most of its footwear brand in the mass market segment, price conscious mass market segment.